Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to insert bookmarks in WPS Office. If you want to do it, first you need to go to Insert tab and then you need to select the text where you want to add the bookmark. So for example, I select this one, paragraph, and now I need to click on bookmark option. It will let you to create a bookmark to name a specific location in the document. So I click here and then I need to type here the bookmark name. For example, first bookmark. Here you can select sort by name or location. I will set here location and then I click add. The bookmark will be successfully added to the list, but before we will display this list, we need to add another bookmark. So for example, I scroll down and I'm going to add this location to bookmarks. So I select this text, I click on bookmark again, and this time I will type here the name last bookmark. Now I click add button, and now if you want to display all bookmarks, you need to go to view tab. Here you need to open navigation pane and you need to select this one option, move to left. Then bookmarks will be visible here. We need to click on this one option to display them. And now you have here first and last bookmark, which we have already created. So if you want to go to location of first bookmark, you need to click double time on it. And if you want to go to location of last bookmark, you need to click on it. So how you see, it really works. If I helped you to use it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it solves your problem.